What is up, you guys? Shmay here once again, and I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions on the Naked Smoky palette. If you randomly clicked on this video and did not see me unboxing the Naked Smoky and the new Naked Reloaded, I will link that video down in the description box below for you to go check out after you watch this one. So, like I said in my last video, this was on sale. That is why I finally purchased it. But I have wanted this palette since it hit the shelves. Just never got around to buying it, I guess. So, it was fate when I went online to buy the Naked Reloaded, and this was on sale. So, now I own it. This palette does come with 12 colors, just like the other Naked palettes, and it comes with a brush, which the Naked Reloaded does not come with a brush. Downfall. Well, let's open this up because I am super excited. Urban Decay palettes are my favorite. That's just the packaging. Ooh. Okay, so it came with this card. Ooh, the iconic UD Smoky Eye. Smoky Reality Star. The keys to a perfect smoky eye. Maybe you will give me some pointers. Smoky Cat, Everyday Smoky. So this looks like it's just a card telling you how to use the palette and get different kinds of smoky eyes. Okay, first impressions right off the bat. It's plastic card. Okay, the Naked 2, Naked 3 were also, actually those were metal. They were not plastic. This is like a plastic, but it seems very durable. Oh, I like it. So this palette actually has magnets to open it, which the Naked 2 and 3 kind of click in to stay closed, and I find them kind of challenging to get open sometimes. Wow, so right off the bat, the mirror is giant, way bigger than the 2 and the 3, which I hope that this mirror will stay in this palette because my 2 and 3, the mirror is just held on by some glue. It like popped out somehow. I don't really know. Colors in this palette are beautiful. It seems to have a lot of matte shades, but that could just be because they put all of their matte shades all together instead of spreading them out like they normally do in their palette. So these first 4 are the shimmer powders. The next 4 are like a satin matte. So they're a matte shadow but with a little bit of shimmer to them. Then the last 4 are your 4 matte colors. And all of the pans are all the same size in this palette. I just automatically noticed these 4 colors and they're very blue. I don't normally wear blue. I wear a lot of like browns or charcoal gray colors, but I'm very curious to see how this will work out. So they do have lighter shades here, and then it goes into the darker shades, and then back with the lighter shades. And I love that they made these lighter shades matte because I do like using matte shades as a transition color on my eyelid. But overall, this is a very cool tone palette. I personally do love shimmery eyeshadow. I'm glad that Urban Decay stuck with all of the shimmer they always put in all of their eyeshadows. It also has the dual-ended brush. I wonder if this brush is the same as the Naked 3, because I know in the Naked 2 the smaller end is a flat brush, but this end's the same, but this end is rounded. Wow, I hope that just made sense. So this end is just like the Naked 2 brush, but this one is like a small rounded brush, and it's not like the 2 or the 3. So first impressions of this palette, I really do like the colors. They're gorgeous. They're also pigmented. I'm loving the double-ended brush in this one. The mirror is way bigger. Love that. I'm also loving the magnets that keep it closed. Overall, this is just a very chic palette. As of right now, I don't have any cons to this product. It looks amazing, and I'm very excited to start using this. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I thought it would be a little fun to see what your guys' favorite Naked palettes are. So if you guys click the eye up at the top, you guys can vote for your favorite Naked palette. So go ahead and cast your vote right now. Also, if you guys want to see my video about the new Naked Reloaded palette, that is linked down below. If you guys want to see me do some makeup tutorials with the Naked Smoky palette, hit that like button so I know you're interested. Share this video with a friend. Make sure to subscribe. I put out 2 new videos every week, so I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!